This is the JETech phone case. It comes in this bright yellow box. So the packaging of this JETech case is very good. They have a plastic wrapped all around the case, and they have a styrofoam stuffed inside the case. When I first took it out, the first feeling that I've got is that this case is really lightweight. Even though it's just a thin silicone case, it's soft and smooth. I like the material, and I think it's going to help to keep the weight of my phone light. This is my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, like all Galaxy Ultra, comes with an S Pen at the bottom. So as I slide my phone into this silicone case, like all silicone case, it's soft and it's very easy to put my phone into the case. And look at the hole, it's very well cut out and precise. As you can see, I'm drawing out my S Pen very easily. The hole cut out for the S Pen is pretty good, and I think the case will still protect the corner of the phone even though there is a big cutout for the S Pen. The buttons are pretty tactile too. Have a listen. Yep, and the cutout of the camera hole is very precise too, and there is a raised lip to protect the camera. And this is the cutout for the microphone on top. Oh, there is these two holes for a lanyard too. Now have a look at the front lip that is taller than the screen. The raised lip of the case is pretty tall, which means it's going to protect the screen pretty well when we put the phone face down. So, all things considered, I'm pretty happy that I bought this case. It's an affordable case, and I think it's going to protect my phone pretty well from drops and scratches.